Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock using cubes. To begin, you'll need your main ingredients, chicken bouillon cubes and water. For a richer flavor, consider adding some fresh aromatics like a quarter cup of chopped carrots, a quarter cup of celery, and half an onion. These simple additions will elevate your stock from good to great, providing a wonderful base for many dishes. It's a quick and easy way to get delicious stock. Now let's get cooking. First, dissolve your chicken bouillon cubes in the specified amount of hot water. A common ratio is 1 cube per 2 cups of water, but always check your package for precise instructions. Once dissolved, add your optional aromatics to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, ensuring the flavors have time to meld beautifully. This step is crucial for developing a robust and savory stock. To truly enhance your stock, let it simmer gently for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This extended simmering time is key for the aromatics to infuse their full flavor into the liquid, creating a more complex and satisfying taste. Before serving, taste your stock and adjust the seasoning as needed. Finally, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve to remove all solids, leaving you with a clear, flavorful liquid. Once your delicious chicken stock has cooled completely, it's ready for storage. You can keep it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer-term use, freeze it in convenient 1 cup or 2 cup portions. It will last beautifully for up to 3 months. This versatile stock is perfect for enriching soups, creating flavorful sauces, or making a rich gravy. Enjoy your homemade culinary base.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.